Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the anchorages and traffic separation on the VesselFinder application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings button at the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and in the display options section, go to the seventh option, the anchorage and traffic separation, and just click to the next white circle, and this function is displayed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.